Hi, welcome to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to customize your Woocommerce settings, how to set your store up. So I'm going to come back to my dashboard and you want to click on Woocommerce. As you can see right here, then now to come to settings. Click on settings, and this should bring you to a page like this. Now you need to input your address for this particular page. So your address line, just use any one, just use this. You don't have to set the address line too, it's optional. City, Ife, country, you can set your country, so I'll just change this to Nigeria. Okay, I'm going to select Nigeria and the states I'm dwelling in, so let's just go for Nigeria, Lagos, or Nigeria, Osun State. Okay, Nigeria, Osun State. You input your postcode. If you don't know your postcode or the postcode of your state, you can come online to search for postcode of your country, your states, or your local government, depending on what you want to achieve. Selling location, sell to all countries. Let's assume I do ship outside the country. Well, let me just select. Let me just sell to all countries. Shipping location, ship to all countries you sell to. And default customer location, shop, country, blah blah blah. Enable taxes and stuff like that. If you want to set tax, so you have to enable your tax, and I'll show you how to set tax for that also, depending on the country you are shipping to. Though all these things are meant to be done by your clients, not you. Your clients need to provide you with all the details of task, shipping, and stuff like that, and all you need to do is just set it. Enable coupon, enable the use of coupon codes, calculate coupon discount sequentially, and blah blah blah. You don't have to bother yourself with all these ones. Currency option. Now we're using Naira in Nigeria, so that'll be NGN. Nigeria Naira. Position left, yeah. 1000 separator, comma, decimal separator, dot, and number of decimals. We have 2. So we have this. All you need to do is just click on save changes. And that is done. Come to products. Let's see what we have here to set up our product page. As you can see, you can try to change the pages of your Woocommerce. So by default we have this, you don't have to change it, but let's assume you want to create a new page. You're probably you mistakenly deleted the previous page. You can create a new page and come back here to select it as your shop page. Place order, image 9, blah 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 blah. Weight in units, kilogram or centimeter, depending on what you are selling. You understand? So enable reviews, yes. Reviews can only be left by verified owners, blah blah. You can't, all these things are just basic English. You can go through them and set them. Enable star rating on reviews, yes. Star rating should appear, no optional, blah blah blah. Yes and yes. Enable Ajax add to cart buttons on archive. The meaning of Ajax add to cart button is when you click, instead of reloading, it just loads that particular add to cart button, and the page still remain intact. Redirect to cart page after submission. If I choose this, just like click on add to cart and it has been added to cart, I'll be redirected to checkout page instantly, or cart page, but I don't want that for good user experience. I'm going to click on save changes, and this is where you can set your tax and shipping. Understand? So you can come here, prices entered with tax, yes or no, depending on what you want to do. If you click on prices entered with tax, that is, by the time your customers are making payment on the website, they pay their tax with it. Understand? But if you select no, they only pay for the product, and tax will be calculated when it's time for you to ship the product. So calculate tax based on customer shipping address, yes. Shipping tax classes, blah blah blah. For this part, you need to understand your client product and the country they're shipping to. Every country have their own tax regulation, policy, shipping policy, and stuff like that. So this is not, there's no a one-way thing to this one. You have to consult your clients. If you are bidding for yourself, you have to now read about tax system of your country or the country you are shipping to. So these are just tax terms and condition and blah 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 like that. Excluding tax, including tax, price display suffix, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So I just leave this as default. Standard rates, reduced rates, zero rates, and so on. These are just tax terms. You have to go and read up on that if you really want to understand how to set up tax on WordPress. But most times the clients will be working with are clients that want their products in their country, so you might not really have to bother yourself about shipping and tax. But most times tax is always involved, especially when they're making payments online, depending on the policy of the country. Understand? So if you come to shipping, that is if you want to be shipping your products beyond your country, that you want to be shipping, let's say you are doing business in Nigeria and you want to be shipping to, let's say, United States, England, California, and stuff like that, you can decide to add shipping zone here depending on location. So if I click on add the shipping zone, so zone name, you can give it any name you want. Let me just say, okay, let me just give this Canada, and zone region. If I select Canada, where in Canada? Okay, if you want to make it general, Canada generally, you can select, okay, everybody in Canada should pay so amount for shipping. But if you want to select specific regions, for Alberta, Canada, this is their shipping price. For British Columbia, Canada, this is our shipping price. For New Brunswick, Canada, this is our shipping price. For Manitoba, Canada, this is their shipping price, and so on and so forth. So though the name you give your zone name have nothing to do with zone region, so you have to give it a name that is similar to what you want to create for the zone region. So you can be specific about a region to set your shipping fee. And after doing all that, you add shipping method, flat rate, free shipping. Okay, if you are in Canada, you get free shipping. If you are in United States, a particular region, United States, you get local pickup, that you have to pick it up from a station. That is, if you have a different station, just like Jumia. So for this one, I have to use local pickup. I can't do door-to-door delivery for this business. I'm just assuming now. I'm going to click on add shipping method. So if I click on edit local pickup, right here I can put the cost of this particular shipping method for this particular location. So I can give it local pickup and just give this Canada, and tax status should be taxable. That is, the country is going to remove that tax from this particular fee. And the price, okay, I say, okay, the shipping cost to Canada is, let's say, let me just say 20,000 naira. And I'm going to click on save changes. Now, if anybody is trying to buy products and they select Canada and the region I set for, let me select the region now, and let me select Alberta, Canada. So you can add multiple regions. So let me add another location right here for this particular shipping method. Let me use something like, okay, United States. Let me use United Kingdom, and you can add more. I'm going to click on save changes, and we have that. We just set our shipping cost. You can go ahead to payment, and currently we don't have any payment method on our website. So we have direct bank transfer. You want to accept that, you enable it right here. You enable right here. Check payment, cash on delivery, enable them right here if you want this option, and you go ahead to set them up right here. But I won't be setting up these two because most times people don't use them. People use payment gateways. So after doing that, we click on save changes. We're still going to come back to set up payment gateway. All payment gateway follow the same procedure. So I'm just going to show you how to make use of Flutterwave, and later on you're going to learn how to use Paystack, PayPal, Stripe, and so on and so forth. So if I come to account and privacy, this is where you set everything as regards checkout. So guest checkout, that is, if you want to make it mandatory or non-mandatory for people to check out on your website without having to create an account, you can do it right here. Allow customers to place order without an account. I want all my customers to place order with an account. So allow customers to log into an existing account during checkout. Yes, this is what I want. Allow all customers to place orders without an account. No. Account creation. Allow customers to create an account during checkout. Yes. Allow customers to create an account on my account page. Yes. When creating an account, automatically generate account name for the customer, blah blah blah. Yes. When creating an account, automatically generate account password. No. Accounts, let me select this guy also. Account erasure request. Remove personal data from others on request. So this is more of what your client wants, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Personal data removal, this is still more of privacy policy and stuff like that. Registration privacy policy, what your client will see when they want to check out. So privacy policy, checkout privacy policy, and so on and so forth. And right here, this is where you can set personal data retention. So retain inactive accounts, that is when an account is inactive for say 2 years, delete the account. You can set it right here. Or if an account is inactive for 5 years or 10 years, delete the account. Retain pending orders. When there's a pending order, you can leave it for so number of years, days, months, then after that delete it. Failed orders, cancelled orders, and completed orders. So you have this right here, you can set it. And the next place we are going to is emails, that is the emails your clients will get and the emails you get when there's either a purchase, an account is being created on the website. As you can see here, new order, cancelled order, failed order, order on hold, processing order, completed order, refunded order, customer invoice, so on and so forth. So you can edit all these stuffs right here. As you can see, new order, cancelled order, and failed order. I'll be the one to get the mail, that is the owner of the website, while all these ones goes to the customer. So you can manage them right here, you can edit them right here on what will be displayed and what will be shown. Most times if you are new, it's best to leave it as default, but if you want to go ahead to customize the email template, you can go ahead to manage this and edit it. So we have all this right here. You can set the color and footer text, you can set this right here, header image, you have it right here, and so on and so forth. So for integration and advanced, we don't need that, but let me just click on integration so you know what is there and what is available right there. So this particular one, you don't really need it, so just forget about it. Don't tamper with this, just ignore it. And I'm going to come to advanced to see if there's anything I need to explain right there. So right here, you can set your cart page, you can set your checkout page, you can set your my account page. As you can see, you can select everything right here. So by default, the cart page, the checkout page, and the my account page have been selected for you. But if you want to create a new page, a new cart page, a new checkout page, a new my account page, you can create the page and come and set them right here as default. I come back to my store and I reload this. And I come to let me just select one of these products right here. If I should click on add to cart, it has been added to cart, and now we have 3 products in my cart. I'm going to click on view cart or checkout, anyone. So I'm going to click on checkout directly instead of viewing cart. So I'm going to check out directly, no view cart, and we have all these products on my cart. 1 2 3 products, and everything is 90,000 naira. As you can see, we now have naira on our checkout page instead of dollars. So the 2 payment options we have: direct bank transfer and cash on delivery, your personal blah 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 blah. So I click on, I can't click on place order because I'm yet to input my name and stuff like that. So if I have a coupon, I can click here to input my coupon, apply coupon, and I have to input my name, ship to a different address. Let's assume I want to ship this product to a different address aside my account page. Customer can select this, and as you can see, if I want to ship to this address, this is not mandatory, but if I want to ship to another address, I'll just select this and fill in all the necessary codes and add order note. This is optional, and I can click on place order. So this is where I'm going to stop for this video tutorial. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate payment gateway with your e-commerce website. Of course, I'm Moses, and I'm going to see you in the next video tutorial.